Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: Intravenous IV lactated Ranger's LR solution is prescribed for a postoperative abdominal surgery. Silent, a nursing student is caring for the silent, and the nursing instructor asks the student about why is this IV solution is prescribed. Which student response is correct? Option number 1. The prescribed solution is hypotonic. Option number 2. LR is isotonic to plasma and contains electrolytes. Option number 3. This solution will help prevent further fluid losses. Option number 4. Hypertonic fluids such as LR help replace fluid loss from surgery. The correct answer of the question, option number 2. LR is isotonic to plasma and contains electrolytes. Lactated Ranger solution is an isotonic solution. It contains calcium, potassium, sodium chloride and lactate in small amounts. Other isotonic solutions include 5% dextrose in water, 0.9% normal saline, and 5% dextrose in 0.2 to 5% normal saline. Isotonic solutions are used for fluid replacement in surgical silence. The fluid will remain in the vascular space. Focus on the subject. Lactated range solution knowledge regarding the tonicity of this IV solution is needed to answer the question. Remember that lactated range solution is isotonic to plasma. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.